everybody, it's Neil, and in an effort to get some family-friendly games, I got this one called Sushi Go. My kids are in love with the sushi, and so I figured, hey, let's see if this is a game that we could play regarding sushi. I mean, it's like, it says it's for what, was it on this paper here somewhere? It said like right here, 8-year-olds. So my kids being in their 20s, this should be very appropriate for them. But it looks like it's a fast-paced kind of card game that you just go around, passing cards and trying to build your best sushi roll. And then depending on the different sushi roll you can get different points and all that. So this is kind of the instruction manual here. There's some of the instructions on it goes, but you can see it's fairly easy to read, and there's about 7 or 8 pages of it. But I'll show you guys what the cards look like and stuff inside there. You get the cards like that. This is the pack of cards here. Do a quickie review. I think this game's been around for a little while. It got great reviews on Amazon and was suggested to me by the Amazon suggestion engine, whatever it was, when I was buying another kids game, when I was buying the Cards Against Humanity Kids Edition one. But so you can kind of see, so you can have squid nigiri stuff, and you have different things, just different sushi ones. And I guess the idea is to build the best sushi roll out of passing the stuff. I guess you get multiples of each of the cards, and I'm guessing it's something we're gonna have to shuffle to get going. Haven't really read all the instructions yet, but I will be reading them this week so we can play it this weekend. We're actually going to sushi, so thought it might be kind of fun. I'll actually take it along and see if the kids want to play it while we're waiting for the food at some fancy ass sushi place. So who knows? Well, let's see. Here's the other deck of cards here, just some more stuff. So that's it. And it's kind of cool because it comes in this little tin here. So let me just stick it back in the tin and I'll show you. So you get this tin with it here, and put the instructions in there. And so I'll just be able to just take this along with me, and easy peasy. But also inside the box there was this. I don't know what this is. What does this say? It's some sort of I don't know, I guess a registration one. Talk to us. I guess if you want to give them some feedback, they're happy to get it if you put your own stamp on it. And then it came with this little thing here, them advertising all their games. Boy, these guys make a lot of different games. So there we go. But I got it from Amazon. Pretty easy peasy, looks simple. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.